We're about to unlock the secret world of petroleum jelly, a humble household item with a whopping 25 mind-blowing uses. You might think you know everything about this go-to product, but trust me, you're in for a treat. From beauty hacks that'll have you rethinking your entire skincare routine to outdoor tricks that can save you time and effort, we've got it all. So buckle up because you're about to discover the unexpected magic of petroleum jelly that goes way beyond your imagination. Petroleum jelly is not just for chapped lips, it's a beauty powerhouse with surprising uses. Let's dive into some beauty hacks you can achieve with this versatile product. First off, you can use petroleum jelly to soften cuticles and strengthen nails. Apply a small amount to your cuticles before bed, and you'll wake up with noticeably softer and healthier-looking nails. Next up, make your perfume last longer. By applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly on your pulse points before spritzing your perfume, you can enhance the fragrance's staying power. It's a simple trick that makes a world of difference. Did you know petroleum jelly can also double as a natural-looking highlighter? Dab a tiny amount on your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, or your brow bone to add a subtle, dewy glow. It's a beauty industry secret that can help you achieve that perfect lit-from-within look. Now let's talk eyebrows. If you're battling unruly brows, petroleum jelly can be a game-changer. Use a clean spoolie brush to apply a thin layer to your eyebrows. Not only will this keep them in place, but it also gives them a nice, glossy finish. Chapped lips can be a real pain, but not with petroleum jelly. It's a great lip balm substitute and works wonders in soothing and moisturizing dry lips. Speaking of lips, you can also make a DIY lip scrub with petroleum jelly. Just mix it with a little sugar or coffee grounds, and you've got yourself an effective, gentle exfoliant that leaves your lips smooth and supple. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, why not transform petroleum jelly into a glittery gel for festivals or parties? Mix it with your favorite cosmetic-grade glitter, and voila, you've got a DIY glitter gel that's fun, sparkly, and easy to remove. Lastly, petroleum jelly is an excellent makeup remover. Soak a cotton ball with petroleum jelly and gently swipe it across your skin. It effortlessly removes even the most stubborn waterproof cosmetics, leaving your skin clean and moisturized. And that's your beauty regimen sorted with petroleum jelly. Who knew? From squeaky hinges to stubborn stickers, petroleum jelly is your household helper. Let's dive into 8 surprising household hacks that you can pull off with this versatile product. Ever struggled with removing those stubborn labels and sticky residues from jars? Petroleum jelly, with its greasy texture, is a lifesaver. Just apply a thin layer, let it sit for a few minutes, and voila! The sticker comes off hassle-free. Now let's move on to those creaky hinges that have been driving you nuts. A dab of petroleum jelly on the hinge pin will silence them in no time. And don't forget about your stainless steel appliances. A thin layer of petroleum jelly can make them shine like new, giving your kitchen a fresh, clean look. When embarking on a DIY painting project, getting paint on unwanted areas can be a real headache. Apply petroleum jelly to those areas and the paint won't stick. It's a game changer. Zippers can be stubborn sometimes, right? Lubricating the zipper sliders with petroleum jelly can make zipping and unzipping a breeze. And here's a fun one. You can craft a unique and inexpensive candle holder using petroleum jelly and a glass jar. Just apply a thin layer on the inside of the jar, roll in some glitter, and there you have it, a DIY candle holder. Ever noticed how sometimes leather items can lose their shine over time? A bit of petroleum jelly can bring back that luster and keep your leather looking fresh. Lastly, let's talk about candles. A small application of petroleum jelly on the wick can make it burn more evenly, enhancing the ambiance of your space. So next time you're in a sticky situation, remember petroleum jelly. It's not just a beauty staple, but a multifaceted companion ready to tackle your household challenges. Now, that's what we call a versatile hero. Petroleum jelly isn't just for beauty and household hacks. It's also a health and wellness champion. Let's dive into 5 ways this humble product can improve your well-being. First up, we've all struggled with a stuck ring before. Instead of panicking, just reach for your trusty petroleum jelly. A little dab on the stuck ring will make it slide off effortlessly. No more wrestling with your jewelry. Next, let's talk about wound healing. Research has shown that petroleum jelly can help protect minor cuts and scrapes. The jelly forms a seal, keeping out bacteria, reducing the risk of infection, and allowing your skin to heal underneath. However, remember to clean the wound before applying the jelly. Moving on, we've all suffered the pain of blisters from new shoes. Well, petroleum jelly can be your savior here too. Rub a little onto your feet before wearing those new shoes, and it will reduce the friction that causes blisters. Now, that's a hack worth remembering. Now what about gum in the hair? It's a nightmare, right? But don't reach for the scissors just yet. Apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly to the gum and surrounding hair. The gum will slide right out, saving you from an unplanned haircut. Lastly, let's not forget our furry friends. Their paws can get dry and cracked, especially in extreme weather conditions. A little petroleum jelly can work wonders, creating a protective barrier and moisturizing their paws at the same time. But remember, always check with your vet before trying any new treatments on your pets. So there you have it. 5 health and wellness hacks using petroleum jelly. You might be surprised at how versatile this one little product can be. Stay tuned for the next segment where we'll explore some outdoor and miscellaneous hacks with petroleum jelly. You won't want to miss it. Petroleum jelly shines outside the house too. Let's explore its outdoor and miscellaneous uses. First off, did you know petroleum jelly can protect your garden tools from rust? Yep, just a thin layer over metal surfaces can keep them rust-free and extend their lifespan. It's a simple yet effective hack to reduce waste and save money on frequent tool replacements. Next up, we have a hack that's perfect for the winter season. Apply a bit of petroleum jelly to your shovel before tackling that snow pile. This will prevent the snow from sticking to the shovel, making your task a whole lot easier. Moving on to a fun, festive use, preserving your Halloween pumpkins. Carved pumpkins tend to decay quickly, but not if you've got petroleum jelly on hand. Apply it to the carved edges and watch your pumpkin last longer, keeping the Halloween spirit alive. But it's not just about preserving things. Petroleum jelly can also enhance. Take your houseplants, for instance. A little dab on their leaves can give them a polished look, enhancing their shine and vibrancy. Just be sure not to apply too much. A light layer will do the trick. There you have it. 25 surprising uses for petroleum jelly that you probably never knew existed. Who knew this humble staple could transform from a simple lip balm into a versatile tool for beauty, household, health, and even outdoor tasks? So what's your favorite petroleum jelly hack? Share it with us in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this surprising journey into the world of petroleum jelly. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. See you next time.